So this was to provide a place on campus where students, one, could have hands-on experience with various types of biofilters, but then also that people could come and see them. Green roofs, living walls, constructed wetlands, they're really all, we could look at them, the commonality is they are biofilters. And so a biofilter using living materials to provide, whether it's cleansing of air or wastewater, but providing some type of a benefit from that standpoint. And then it's a question of, do you add water? Is it a dry environment that you have? And is it elevated as a green roof, turned on its side as with a living wall, or placed in the ground as with a constructed wetlands? So what you see here are various applications of that. The one that looks so spectacular right now with the orchids, that's merely a thin film living wall. So all this is a water distribution mat that you would lay on a green roof, made of recycled polyester. And we doubled it so that we could make little pockets for plants, put hardy board on the back, which is a substrate you use in showers, bathroom environments, and put the plants in with a little irrigation system on it. So it's a very straightforward system. It's hydroponic gardening at its finest. There at the end, that's a new design. That's taking a living wall in concert with a constructed wetlands. And this is what we're doing research on right now for treating wastewater, both black water and gray water. And then to the left here, what you see is a more traditional type of application of constructed wetlands, where we combine deep water habitats. So the black tank is where your wastewater would come in, and the open tanks there then are primarily aerobic that have deep water. We have baffles in it, so that would allow the water to, so that it doesn't just short circuit coming across one. And then it flows from one tank to another, and you can put various types of plants. In this case, we have papyrus. Papyrus is a very good one for filtering pollutants. It then comes here to what we refer to as subsurface tanks, and those small black tanks. And subsurface means the wastewater actually flows below the surface of the material. So this is good, especially for outdoor applications, because then you don't have to worry about insect vectors like mosquito transmitting West Nile virus. Then from there it flows over into this shallow tank, and we have in it water lettuce, flows from there into a little simulated pond environment which has fish in it. And then this living wall, another type of living wall, was constructed on the front just primarily for aesthetics and to provide a sampling for people of various types of